Hey guys, here is a short video how to install voltmeter to your battery, especially if you have EKX, any version of the bike, EKX brand or Frigo brand or Seciba brand, doesn't really matter. So all you need to do to install voltmeter like this, it's remove two bolts from here and two bolts on the back. Just four bolts, two of them short, two of them long. So after that, we're just removing the cover itself, because this cover don't have any sticker protections or something like this. So no one gonna know you were removing the cover itself. So what we can see inside, we can see four wires like bigger size and four wires smaller size. So the bigger size, two of them connected to the charging port and two of them not connected to anything, right? And also we can see BMS button here, what's going like separately into the BMS itself. So all what we need to do, we just need to cut hole in that plastic. Here, as you can see, like more than enough space, right? You can see how deep is that plastic, how deep is that pocket. And all we need to do is just cut a square hole and put inside our voltmeter. Also, when you're connecting voltmeter, positive going to the positive and negative to the negative, but it's going to the free wires, not to the wires where connected your charging port. Why? Because these two wires without charger, they only under power when the BMS is on. So once you turn on BMS, as I can see, show you now, once you turn on BMS, right away voltmeter is on. And in a moment when you turn BMS on, just a second, when you turn BMS on, as you can see, it shows you 2L16. So what is 16 is your 16S here, as you can see, 6P. So 16 is series and 6 in parallel connection on these small batteries. What gives you like 60 volts battery, and fully charged it's gonna be 67.2 ideally, what is rarely you're gonna have. Anyway, so that's pretty simple how to install that voltmeter. Also, don't be afraid, because here it's these wires, as you can see, it's like two different wires connected to each other, and here just heat shrink what is covered them. So I just remove heat shrink, put like connected that wires without any soldering, because here on your voltmeter it's no huge current, it's just a little bit. So you don't have to really have anything, just long wire, wrap it around and put like good isolation tape on top. My situation, it was the material one. So just like this, simple as that. And I'm gonna leave a link for that voltmeter. Also, it's very like fast, very briefly, how to preset that voltmeter. So how to preset it? We just go into the button set and we just go into that menu. The first one is gonna be for plumbum, so for your lead acid battery, and we don't need that. We go in again, short press on setting, and 2L. So L, it's gonna be our lithium or lipo or whatever it. So that's exactly, it's ours battery. And we just with the button power, with short press, we just choose which one we need, how many S. So in our case it was 16S, right? And we go in 16 and we press set again, and after that we're going to press again. And now we have ours preset like for 60 volts battery, and here as you can see 66.8, it's like 100% briefly. And yeah, once you choose what kind of battery it is, it's gonna be automatically show you voltage and shows you like in percentage also. If you're gonna press set shortly again, it's gonna show you temperature, because this one is going with temperature sensor, and you could see the temperature sensor inside there, wire, black wire. That's pretty much it. There are like a lot of settings, lot more settings in that voltmeter. Let's press. I'm just gonna show you shortly. So this is type battery lead. This is lithium battery. This is ferrum battery. So here you can choose manually. What voltage gonna be showing like 1 bar and what voltage gonna be showing full bars, and from there it's gonna be approximately calculation. Like example, I'm gonna put like 50 volts, it's gonna be 1 bar, and like 67, like example, it's full bars. But in that case the percentage not gonna work like previous percentage. So that's up to you guys how you're gonna choose. So if you're gonna choose just go by bars, so it's gonna be like your settings here. So next one, it's gonna be, I believe it's screen is always on or off on a voltmeter itself. And here is gonna be warning for low voltage. It's also, you guys can preset it or not, but if you choose that 16S, it's gonna be like on the 2 menus back, it's gonna be like presets already. Here is also something I can't remember what, it's not important things. And that's it, and it's going on a circle. Yeah, we don't need that at all. Anyway, turn on, off, turn on. I hope I didn't destroy my, yeah, okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy your ride. And as you can see, this very useful, because bars, especially on 21X X21 MAX, it's not really informative display, because we have just bars, and these bars not even going down almost until you reset. So you have to turn off bike, turn on, and after it's gonna show you like, okay, you already like few bars low. So that's why this one much more. Also, this can be like turned off during that ride, so it's not always on. It's up to you. What else? Also, when you're riding, sorry for timing. Also, when you're riding, if you open like full throttle, you can see voltage draw, and you can see percentage draw, and how many volts it's like going down, especially like you're on a full throttle on sport mode or eco mode, or you're going uphill, downhill, and it's very useful. At least you will know what is your battery capable of, and how to use it properly, where you have to go like full throttle, or you have to go a little bit just less, and especially like when your battery almost dead. So just like this, I hope it was useful for you guys, and enjoy your ride. See you later.